Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone has location enabled and is online. This makes GPS visible to the service. Sign into the same account used on the lost phone, Google, Apple, or the phone maker on a laptop or another phone. Once signed in, open the device locator interface immediately. That first screen will try to ping the phone. While it searches, make sure you know the device name and model so you can identify the correct result in the list. Once the locator returns results, study the map. It shows either a live GPS fix or a last known location with an accuracy radius. You should use the ring or play sound command to make the phone audible. This overrides silent mode and helps if it's nearby. Make sure to note the battery percentage and connection status because a dead or offline phone will only show the last location. If the accuracy radius is large, move slowly around that area and refresh the location periodically. Finally, lock the phone remotely and display a message with a contact number. This protects your data and increases recovery odds. If you can confirm the location is safe, go there with someone else or ask local authorities to assist. Do not confront strangers. Only use remote erase when you accept losing location tracking because it removes your ability to find the device afterward. Troubleshooting tip: if the phone won't appear, check the account credentials, ensure location history was enabled, and have your carrier or police use the IMEI to assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.